So I'll answer this one, and you can, because you're a locker too. You understand the foundation.
Yeah.
So this question is: how is popping and locking different from krumping to a normal person who is not in the professional dance industry? YouTube it. Not kidding. So those are popping, locking, and krumping are three completely different dance styles, and luckily enough, all styles that were found in the West Coast. So
True.
So popping is a form, as far as my understanding, is it's an umbrella term. There's waves, there's tuts, there's hits.
Takes, dimes, tops.
Yeah, so those are things I'm just going to probably add on the B-roll. Locking is one style, which is like
Funky.
group. Those two styles of dance involve are dance to funk. They're considered funk styles. Krump was founded in the 2000s, which is a little bit more of an aggressive style.
What's the acronym?
Which is, oh my God, you caught me on the spot. I don't even remember.
Kingdom.
Radically
uplifting, praise.
Mighty praise.
Mighty
There
praise.
you go. Oh my God, this is like, yeah.
There you go. Remember that.
So that's what Krump is, and there's like different levels, like there's buck and then all that. Some of the basic foundations, and everyone in the comments anyone who's watching this who has more knowledge in terms of Krump terminology, like there's some of the basics are bangs, arm swings, jabs, and like so those are different things. And I'll probably be adding B-roll so you guys can understand what it is, because I can't do it right now because there's only so much we can do in this screen. So the visually you can tell by what it looks like.
You can tell the complete difference from popping, locking, and krumping. They each have a foundation, they each have a tree, they each have literally a mother, a father. Like all three of them were literally born and raised in a whole different era, whole different type of feel. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
So
cool. If you look like this, but you want to look like this, don't skip this video. Check out my course, Hip Hop Dance for Beginners, where you guys get early access to routines like this and tips and tricks that I don't share on this channel. For the past 15 years, I've been teaching dancers from all ages, shapes, and sizes how to move, so I'm pretty sure I can help you out as well. So all you've got to do is click the link down below, and I'll see you in class.